before the rhythm shook the island, before the bassline ruled the sea. There were drums in the mountain shadows calling freedom secretly. Old lands beating ancient thunder, moonlight dancing on zinc rooftops. From the ashes of the sufferers came a fire that never stopped. Down in Trenchtown, all is burning, broken shoes on concrete roads. Mothers praying by the lantern, children carrying heavy loads. Scar was laughing through the silence, rock steady slowed the heartbeat down. Then the rebel sound came rising like a lion from the ground. We are the precursors to reggae, soul survivors of the storm. From the chains and the plantations to the sound that keeps us warm. One love flowing through the speaker, like a river through the pain. Every drum became a prophecy, every tear became a flame. Vinyl spinning in the corner, dusty records wrapped in gold. Prophets singing truth to power, stories Babylon never told. Rastafari in the hillside, dreadlocks swaying in the breeze. Jah was speaking through the rhythm, carried softly by the trees. Hear the Naya Bingy drums calling, hear the echoes from afar. Every note became a weapon, every song became a slur. No surrender to oppression, no retreat into the night. Music turned the poor to poets, turned the darkness into light. We are the precursors to reggae, children of the fire and rain. Turning sorrow into rhythm, turning struggle into praise. From the harbor to the hillside, from the ghettos to the stage, the spirit never dies forever, living louder every age. And the old drum still is beating, through the smoke and through the years. Bob still walking through the speakers, still dissolving fear to tears. One love, one heart, one eternal reggae flame.